To set one-handed mode as gesture in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find advanced features, and then tap advanced features. Scroll down advanced features, tap one-handed mode, and then reduce display size width, select gesture, and then to first you must enable use one-handed mode. Tap switch until blue is off, tap switch until blue to enable, and then select gestures. Swipe down in the center of the button edge of the screen to enable to use one-handed mode. Swipe down in the center. Okay, and then to back, tap the back area to the back to full screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.